Hi there, I just got my box from Mama Select, and in it I chose the Blessed Thistle. This is a really cool product because it is one of the most widely used herbs out there, as well as it's called holy thistle. I found that really cool. This product contains 120 veggie capsules, and that is a 2-month supply. Go ahead and show you what they look like. Very easy to take, once in the morning, once at night, super easy. There are recommendations of not taking this while pregnant. So this is just post-pregnancy nursing production for your little. I found it really cool that this company is based and manufacturing their products in the United States. So we're putting our money back into our community, which I find really cool. This company also has received their Good Manufacturing Production certification, which means their products are consistent across the board. So consistent product, made in the United States, and helps promote milk production for my little. I'm in.